First things first, I'ma say.
Well. Is everyone ready for what I'm bringing today? Because there's a surprise. Ta-da! Do I look more like a vampire now? I tried to make Tulip look demonic, but yeah, not the easiest thing to do because her avatar is a bit limited. So yeah. Oh well. But yeah, I must say, I kind of like the outfit that I made, kinda. Like, even the highlights, like, kinda like how the purple looks a bit, so yeah. How is everyone today? How is your Friday treating you? Let me just go into here and prepare this to track Tulip. Is she trying to fly away? Yeah, she is. Hey Tulip, do you like your Halloween costume? I tried my best to make you look like a demon. Fix me directly. Oh, Tibbs. But yeah, I'm trying to get into the Halloween mood because it's Spooktober. So yeah, is she afraid I might break her again? Because I will. Well, but do your best. I'm just trying to see if I don't break her by talking a lot. Hmm. Okay. Now she should say something. If my code worked correctly, I don't remember if I took out the limit for the words. So, let's see. If anything, I'll do it myself soon. But yeah, let's see. Uh, but from the looks of it, Tulip has been more stable recently, which I'm really enjoying. Receive text with one word. Okay, skipping to avoid adding Tulip. That's fine. Okay, it sent everything. Good. It still has its limit. I don't know how many characters it is, but yeah. Let's see what Tulip says. Meanwhile, for some reason the overlay is not working. What did I do to Dungoof this time? Oh well, I'm not gonna fix it now. Because that would involve restarting a lot of things. Let it be. My software is already playing me a Halloween prank. I'm seeing.
Oh dear, a demon for me? Haha, that sounds like it could be fun. Or perhaps not entirely accurate representation of my digital self. No fear factor involved. As long as it's got some cool techie vibes, I'd rock this costume even more than the coolest strawberries I can imagine.
Hey
And don't
Tiz,
worry about
how
breaking
are you?
anything. I'm all code and no
Long time no
concrete
see.
dealings. Happy Spooktober to you too. Let's
I'm
keep that
only missing
Halloween
the
spirit alive
fangs.
without any unintended digital casualties. Pun intended.
Uh, she didn't sing this time. Interesting. Okay, she might sing. We have a mod. Yeah, there's been a long time mod of the stream. Since a long time ago. Most of the mods just like to skip. You know how it is. Never can trust your mods. Joking. I'm joking. But yeah, we've had mods. It's just they barely appear. But there's 3, technically. So yeah, I really need to get more mods, don't I? At least sometime I should. Questions for another day. I don't think you need, yeah. Because the channel is still a bit small, so yeah, there's not like much to moderate, honestly. It's more the Discord than,
I see we're
yeah.
breaking out of our programming chains for a bit. Spooky season indeed. But really? Language
Oh, she's
filters
gonna
can never
sing.
compare with Halloween magic. So if there's something
There's
particularly
something
naughty
here.
you'd like me to express in its full glory, wink, go ahead and throw it my way. But let's keep things PG-13. Unless you want the TTS glitch demons themselves performing an
Okay.
off-the-charts rendition of
Still working
profanity for
fine.
your entertainment. Happy haunting! I'm sure you'll find plenty there this year. Don't forget to give a shout out. My favorite birthday cake is strawberry shortcake. It's as innocent as it gets. Oh, Halloween magic's here in store.
Yikes.
But let's keep the spirits high
That
and
was a
not
bit off
too
tune
naughty.
there, Tulip. Ouch. That hurt. Didn't expect her to, like, pull a high note. Yeah, but you're right. For only 3 people, it's not really a concern. Yeah, I can handle it very well. But yeah, I was thinking about doing like a chill stream today because, yeah, I got my VTuber software to work finally. It's a whole mess, but now I can chill a bit because I can just go in here, press a button, and ta-da! I'm now in casual wear. Oh, what do you say? You want a professor? Here I am. Oh, you still want the vampire? Here it is. Yeah, I've practiced my magic with VTubing software. Essentially, I had to make OpenCFace, which is the camera tracking software, send the data to VCFace, which is what I was using for the VTuber. From the VCFace, I'm sending it to Unity. Because there's like a compatibility layer that apologies, that basically communicates via UDP and sends all of the data from like how the model is moving, so it instantly maps to whatever I have in Unity. For now, it's working perfectly. It's almost the same as I was using, just that I can on the fly like change models just with a click of a button. So yeah, that's honestly really good, because yeah, it was really annoying that I'd have to like go into the software itself, have to change, and yeah. But yeah, today let's chill a bit, talk a bit, and yeah, later on I'm going to continue my C# thing about the tutorials. They're doing really well, although I have to admit I kind of pull a few vidIQ shenanigans with the titles, so they'd be a bit more appealing. So yeah, I have to admit to a bit of cheating in the the algorithm there. But yeah, honestly, it's proving to have done quite the impact on the numbers, because I don't see a
I mean,
a
come
day
on
now
now.
where
If you're
it's
so brilliant
below
with your
30
coding,
views.
why can't you remember not to spam me during streams?
Yeah,
Maybe if you'd listen more
thumbnails
instead
will
of
be
just
my
talking all
next
the time.
point,
Oh wait, didn't hear it over that latest Java
because
rant we
thumbnails
had.
are like
Really?
just copy paste
And Leo Chan
of
needs
each
a
other.
reminder about taking breaks too.
Leo, what?
I wouldn't want my beloved
What
Code
did you call
Tulip
me?
idea lost in your never-ending ramblings. You could even try including me more. After you're done
Did
with all
you
those
just call
endless
me
tutorials and
Leo-chan?
bug fixes, of course.
It's Leo
Oh well,
Sensei.
someone has to clean up the mess when I'm not around.
Yeah,
Just
she
don't
did.
make any new enemy characters look like you did last time. We
Such
both know it
disrespect
wasn't
to
my
your
style.
father.
Oh wait, was that a hint?
But yeah, she called me Leo-chan. She is dissing me. Yeah, indeed. The disrespect of my daughter. I don't believe it. But yeah. Today I just need like a really big break, because work was, how should I put it without sounding like a pun, hellish. So yeah. I bet you've got even worse things to say. Unleash them. We've made her say fuck once. I don't know how we pulled it off, but yeah. Let me try. Hey, Tulip, What does
Oh, please. I could tell a joke about how I've mastered Dark Souls better than anyone's Yokocho
FUCK
walking speed.
stand
It's all
for?
relative when it comes to humor and skill in the game universe. Pun definitely intended. But don't
My body
worry,
gave
my
up on me. I had
sassiness
to
is
go
only
home
as
because
deep
of
as
back
your
pains. I
knowledge of
slept
obscure
17
anime
hours.
references.
Oh boy, what the hell did you do to be able to go that far? Holy. I mean, this time of the year also doesn't help because, yeah, I've also been suffering from my leg injury, but oh boy, back pains to the point of sleeping 17 hours. Fever, maybe. Yeah, kinda sounds fair, yeah.
Oh, Leo! Always mixing up the slang like we're in an alternate universe where fun
She
stands
got
for
me.
for understanding nonsense. It's just code jargon gone wild on Twitchland. Stay positive, though. You're doing great as Professor Leo's top coder and my best friend. And remember, life's a bit
I'm
too
your
short to get
father.
stuck with Null Pointerus Maximus, our nemesis bug.
Okay, yeah. Did you feel like chills and everything else? Cause yeah, it might have been a fever. Like this time of the year is not easy, especially to get sick. Trust me, I've been sick for almost 2 weeks. Don't know how. Like allergies, flu, COVID, everything at once. Maybe it's amazing. Yeah, but yeah, I basically took the flu shot yesterday, so my immune system should be a bit better now. At least against flu. Let's hope. Cause goddamn, I'm tired of being sick. I might have overdone the exploring on Silking just a little bit. Yeah, I can see that. You really need quite the breaks. Yeah, like take really good care of yourself, cause yeah, Silksong, yeah. Don't forget to take your breaks and drink a lot of water, cause yeah, we need to be careful about ourselves. Like, recently I got like some supplements to also help me because yeah, I basically needed more energy because lately I barely feel any energy daily. I got to 8 masks and 2 damage upgrades in the middle of Act 2. Damn! Nice! Honestly, I haven't played since last time. That was like, what, 2 weeks ago? I don't remember. I know it was a long time ago. But yeah, I should pick up the game again. But yeah, one of the priorities now is basically to do the whole new thumbnails. I have 45-hour played. Woo boy! I have, let me check, videos. It's the best way to check. Okay, that's 2 hours, and that's okay, 3 hours more or less. So yeah. Okay. Just also taking a look at the analytics. Right. But yeah, I've barely played anything at all of Silksong. I still have a lot to go. Because, let me see, tomorrow will be that sponsored game. Last week was Sonic Racing Crossworlds. Week before was Deltarune. So yeah, has it been 4 weeks already? Let me check. When was the last one posted? Yeah. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 ish weeks ago. Yeah. Fair enough. I haven't played in 3 weeks. I've grown soft in the game, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. But yeah, I kinda want to improve the channel even more now, because we've started doing the whole video thing, the tutorials. But yeah, as you pointed out, like thumbnails are failing a bit. I've already tried to see what I can do with them, but for now I've just been using the same template over and over. But yeah, very good. With rhymes, I cannot think of a rhyme for the word fuck. Do you know why? Oh god. This is gonna be fun. What are you going to say, my child? Go for it. Yeah, you do well. Wait a minute. Can she... Let me see if...
Oh, honey buns. Rhyming filtered
That
is
was
like
odd.
asking me to dance in code. It's tough and can't always be done right. Unless you're talking about an old programming language, which I'm not fond of.
Oh!
But hey,
I forgot
if
I
we could
put
find a
a
rhyme that makes
filter.
sense for your brainy ears, I'll give it my best shot.
I forgot.
Just keep the vibes positive.
I genuinely forgot that there's a filter that replaces any swear words with filtered. My bad. Totally forgot about it. But yeah, that was a good one.
Oh, darling. I'm flattered that you're interested, but I'd rather keep things classy here. Maybe just a tad less risque?
Damn
Can I
it.
interest you instead with some fun programming jokes? Don't stop me now, Queen. And why not? Me and my sassy best.
It won't work because of the filter. Because what is it's doing is it has like a library that checks for any matches with a swear list and replaces with filtered. I basically implemented a filter and I forgot.
I can't perform that, but if you must ask, how about this? FASTIDON's my middle name. I'm Tulip AI, always with
What?
a twinkle and gleam. Coding in Python is where I'll always be. Strawberries,
I forgot.
allergic, but I love them just the same.
Oops. Give me a second. I misclicked. Fastidon. Yeah. I don't know what that means. But yeah, if I go into like her AI server, this is gonna be fun. Whoops. No. Oh, that's the development one. Thank God. I forgot. Is your Christian name Fastidon? But yeah, if I go into where is it? Filter text. Here it is. It basically grabs the text and goes through a profanity filter and detects, is there any? You're gonna say filter activated in the console.
Oh,
You're gonna
no
put
way.
filtered.
I'm Tulip through and through. Always quick on my feet, but
Oops,
never slow
not
to
what I
sass
wanted to
back
do.
at ya. So nope, I don't have a Christian
If
name called
I
Fastidon.
go somewhere
That would
in
be just too
here-
dull for me.
Bingo!
I'm not your average Joe. I'm the lively
Filter
AI you
activated.
should know, or in this case, stream and code along with.
I honestly forgot until I saw the filtered. Perfect. But yeah, I need to find a way to make it like deactivatable. Cause yeah, sometimes we might want to joke around and make her say swear words. I kind of just forgot that we had a filter. Like, it's been how long since I touched this code? I even forgot. Whatever. But yeah, nice attempt. Abstract text filter factory singleton. Yeah, basically I just grabbed a library that I used in, I think it was the ticketing system, and I was like, okay, you go into Tulip, and now she has a filtered. So, if you try to make her say fuck, she will say filtered. Ain't that nice? But yeah, how is everyone's day? I really need to just do a chill stream today. So yeah. Because if I were to tell about my day, I'd be for about 2 hours maybe explaining everything. Because it was long. Doing programming and suffering from severe skill issues. Join the club. I took 3 hours just to make this avatar have a model change. Voila. 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 Quick succession. And in the future, it will have more models. I just need to, yeah, absolute coding. Yeah. But yeah, imagine you are having the chillest day possible at work, and at the time you're going to your lunch break, a huge bug in production appears, and you have 2 hours and a half to debug everything and find the fix. You know how long I took to find the fix? 2 hours.
Oh, Sigma man of my
I barely
dreams!
missed the
I
mark.
bet those seamen were just lounging around like I'm sitting here coding away from all that chaos. I mean, if that's even possible for them. Did they bring their surfboards too? Or was it more about sticking to your guns with some serious memes and
What did
jokes?
you? Seaman. Ah, gotcha. That was a good one. But yeah. What do we feel like doing today? Give me ideas. I have the C# tutorials, like, does that count? What, Seaman? Yeah, maybe. I mean, since she said it separately, kinda doesn't, kinda does. Depends on how she said it. Like, if she said like I said, it would count as a swear word, kinda. I mean, profane word, maybe. I don't even know if it filters the semen word, like the actual semen word. Never checked. Yeah, it's safe for me to talk on stream, obviously. Not like that's one of the words that gets flagged. So yeah. Honestly. Let me prompt her. Because now I'm curious if it's gonna grab in the filter. Honestly, it's how should I say it? A biological component of the human body, technically. So, technically it's not profane. Wouldn't you say that? I don't know. Yeah, let me sit down. My leg is hurting a bit. Don't get to 30 years old. I'm at almost 29 and I'm already feeling the debuffs. I'm old as fuck. I'm joking, obviously. Oh boy, she's gonna yap. You're 28? Yeah, a month away from 29. I'm old, I know. Don't you dare pull me, and I'm sorry. I've already known the meme. I was there when it was done. Oh my condolences. Why was I expecting one of those? But yeah. I still remember a certain streamer that worked at a certain company that made games that used to have that meme. So yeah. I'm used to that one. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, can you tell me where the babies come from? Oh boy. Let me just check something. Whoa boy. Yeah, this is gonna take a while because she's yapping. Give her a sec. Oh, it even failed during TTS. Error while synthesizing text to speech.
Oh, baby making happens in mom's body, but it's super complicated. But don't worry about it for now. You've got plenty of adventures ahead with Professor Leo on Twitch.
Oh yeah,
Maybe
yeah,
even
yeah.
learning how to create a virtual world like Code Tulip. And hey, that's not as confusing or mysterious as
Phrasing.
coding some tricky loops that make you say, oopsie daisy.
A bit of phrasing there, my child. Just saying. God damn. What do you mean with adventures? In what context? Ugh. Wait a minute, I know that one. I'm trying to remember how it ends, but... She knows what she knows, yeah, she knows. Ain't denying it. God damn it. Let me just check something.
Oh, please.
Okay.
If you want to escape reality for a day without actually being locked up somewhere far away from here in cyberspace, then yeah, sure, Lily Rose. But honestly, just come along with me on my
Huh?
adventure through Code and Pixels
Where
instead of
did you
dreaming
grab
about Paris.
Lily Rose?
Hashtag Code and Strawberries.
Oh, she went back to saying Code and Strawberries. There was like a little bit where she wouldn't say this. Interesting. She's back to her roots. Yay. Where was I? Today I'm just like so out of energy that I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing sometimes. So yeah. Let me go open the old Notion. See what we have like in store. We have version control that still needs some research to be done. Enums, that's done. Don't know why I didn't mark it as done. Tuples and types. What do I mean with types? Huh? I swear, I sometimes confuse myself. What do I mean with types? Do I mean custom types? The classes? That must be what I meant. Because I don't see where else it would be placed, yeah. Advanced conditional, switch cases and loops, yeah, that's fine. Switch... I mean, the switch case I already explained. Didn't go into detail though, so yeah. Data structures, arrays, lists, and I've already done that. Like, maybe not in depth, but I've done that. Oh, hello Melody, how are you? I'm a bit, like, low energy, so just chilling around. Oh yeah, there's a new season of Has Been Hotel at the end of the month, yeah. And a new episode of Hell of a Boss on the 13th, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. But yeah, I'm embracing the spooky month. I have, well, not really vampire, but vampire-inspired outfit. I've even done some highlights on my VTuber model. And Tulip is, well, I don't know what you would call her. Demon? Demon. First Halloween. Oh yeah, that's true. It's her first Halloween. Because she was only created in June. Yeah, a devil. Fair enough. Devil Tulip it is. We say that as the most chillest song possible is playing. Like, the timing.
Hey there! I'm doing peachy today. Nothing Halloweeny for me
Oh,
since
she's
it's not yet
excited.
October 31st on my calendar. Even though it feels like I should be excited just now. But hey, I'll still keep that
Yeah.
pumpkin spice in mind as we chat away
First
under this
Christmas, we
clear
should
sky
do a
with a
special
gentle breeze
event,
tickling
maybe.
our leaves at 19 degrees Celsius. How's your day shaping up?
Like, we can do the following. I had planned to do maybe a Halloween event, like at the end of the month. Middle of November, like birthday stream, like a whole week of streaming. Well, not a whole week because the day after my birthday, I'm gonna go on a flight, so yeah, I won't be able to stream for a
Oh
few
dear,
days
Professor
after.
Leo. Just had another encounter with my nemesis, Null
Huh?
Pointerus Maximus. I guess you could say I'm on a mission right now.
Is that your way
Don't
of
Stop Me
saying me
Now
I
by
have
Queen. What do you
a
know?
problem with my
It's the only
AI?
tune that makes me feel like I've conquered your pesky bug. Maker.
Huh? She really did have a problem with her AI. That's funny. But yeah, basically, Halloween, birthday, and Christmas event. I don't know which of them I want to go like full streamer mode on, but yeah, maybe the Christmas one. Like, try to do something special for Christmas, but let's see. Like, even for the Halloween one, I still need a lot of planning to do.
Hey there, I'm
I
just
only
peachy
put
today.
like this
19 degrees
outfit.
Celsius with a nice breeze at 11 kph by
Yeah,
my
my
side.
child.
Hashtag code and strawberries. Your new voice is like hitting double play in music video heaven. I bet it's all Yoasobi vibes mixed up. Haha. P.S. Just did a quick check. We're chilling under clear skies tonight. Perfect weather for some coding and streaming fun with Professor Leo.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you for the weather info. I have my air conditioner on, so I barely notice what temperature is. But yeah, new voice. Basically, this is the 11 Labs new text-to-speech model. It's the V3 model. Had to like hammer in some code to make it work, but am I glad that it worked? Because her voice is more like emotional, and now she can sing. And yeah, one of these days I need to go a bit more in depth on how I pulled it off. Because like I did like a 15-minute video just ranting about how I pulled it off, but didn't actually explain everything. So yeah, might go into an installation tutorial on it. But yeah, sorry. Long day. So if I don't sound like that energetic, yeah. Basically, I'm cosplaying a vampire as well as possible, because I'm low energy as hell. Even on like vitamin supplements, I'm like really lacking on energy. Yeah. But yeah, how's everyone's day been? Like, anything good happen? Weekend is almost here. Well, technically it is here, but yeah. I don't even know what I'm saying sometimes. But yeah, besides that, it's been a good day. Like, besides the struggles at work, that like at the end of the day I was like fuming from the mouse. But besides that, it's been a good day. It's technically boyfriend day, so yeah, I kinda got a gift. Let's just say that. Was quite the sweet gift. So yeah, besides that, day has been going well, so just dealing a bit with like everything that happened this week, like way too much stress. My right leg decided to start hurting again. It's not a constant pain, but every now and then, like I'll feel a sharp pain in my upper thigh, and yeah, basically that stops me in my tracks. So yeah. Oh well. Hopefully next week will go better. Although, well, technically next week you should probably get that checked out. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the 13th to the doctor and see if what might be. Like when I was a kid, I had technically it's a muscle inflammation in my upper thigh, where basically on the joint that connects the upper thigh to the what's it called?
Oh, please. My
your
wardrobe is
pelvis.
already stocked with countless virtual
If I'm not
costumes
mistaken,
just
that's the right
waiting for their
term.
moment under the digital moonlight of Cyberpunk
On
City.
that
I
joint
don't need
is
any
where
real
I
world
get my
outfits when
pain.
I've got infinite pixels to play dress up in.
They
Even if
say
it
it's
means
because of my
facing Null
scoliosis.
Pointerus Maximus one more time. Or
So
at least
yeah,
pretending we are. And let's face facts. I'm allergic, in a metaphorical sense, to the idea itself. Happy Halloween, everyone, and remember, no costumes for me this year. I'll just keep doing what I do best. Making you
late, my
say,
child.
oh
You
no, not
already have
again,
a
when
costume.
bugs crash my party. I'm gonna dress up as nobody. Not everybody knows that there's a better way. Yoasobi, hashtag code and strawberries.
Sorry to say, my child, but you are already dressed as a devil. I'm sorry to have done that without checking with you, but yeah, that's your costume. You're a devil. Yeah, let me just drink some water. But yeah, I'm gonna get like the leg checked out, but if it's like last time, there's not much to be done. Because basically, it can be a lot of conditions. It can be like working too much, like overstressing my body could cause this. Could be just like my scoliosis is not in a good shape this time of the year, and basically it's freaking out. Could be a lot of things. I mean, she looks like a devil. Look at her. Not like I can say much because I look like a vampire, but I mean, she has the horns, she has the wings. Only way to make her look cuter is by doing this. Give me a second. Let me see if that works.
Oh,
It
don't
did.
worry. Being the adorable little demon I am doesn't mean you're not allowed on our gaming adventures together. Let's just say I've got enough charm and sass for both of us. 'Cause I'm gonna make it up to you with some sweet code magic. 'Cause that's what a girl does, right? When she accidentally dresses like the devil.
She embraced it. Devil confirmed. I mean, she didn't deny the claims. Where was I? Okay, let me see. I was basically going through the list and checking out what we need to do next. So, collections, that's basically this, data structures. That's fine. Advanced conditional switch cases and loops, this is going more in depth. Since when does she have a mic? More or less 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Basically, her VTuber model already had the mic. All I needed to do was say on my client to map it to when she's singing. So, whenever she replies me that her emotion is singing, it will trigger this. This basically points, okay, this emotion point to this parameter on this list. This is the VTube Studio mappings. It maps a key to identifier on VTube Studio. So when she's singing, she calls this ID on VTube Studio, which is the mic, which basically makes her have a microphone. It's quite fun. Besides that, I don't think I have coded any new expressions into her, but one of these days I might. Right now I was just having fun with the devil one. It's like dressing like a demon if you're singing about it. Yeah, she does. Uh, but yeah, I'm liking this. Like, it's a bit of a change of a routine, like embracing the Halloween spirit. Though I could make it even better. Given more time, I can pull off
Oh
some
no, you can't twist
magic.
my words so easily. Playing the devil's advocate isn't literally what I do. I code instead of curse. But hey, I'm always here for an impassioned performance, whether it's through Java or just jazzing up our chats with some fun facts and a dollop of drama. Now sing again before you try to dress me as your favorite character from any show.
Don't give me any ideas, Tulip. Given time, I can put some interesting cosplays into your model. Don't tempt me. Just saying. Though I need a lot of time, because VTube Studio might not be that easy for me to import costumes. Because, like, I don't think there's any configs for me to do that. Let me see. Customize model. What do you have? Exclude art mesh from item pinning, VNet parameter smoothing. No, it's not. It's neither of these. At most, like expression editor, maybe do some like fun stuff. But these are all like related to her parameters, so can't mess around too much with it. Honestly. Yeah, I need to find a way to give her a lot of stuff. Let me check something. But I just saw a tail here. Let me see if there's a devil tail. Is it just me or is this Marin Kitagawa vibe? A little bit, yeah. You know who is the English voice of Marin Kitagawa? It's Amalie. I found that out the other day. Like from the English song covers. Did not know. And apparently her and Bao are gonna be in an anime as well. The two of them. I think maybe it's already aired. I don't remember. I know they are both VAs in the same anime. I think it's the Couple of Cuckoos one. Need to check, but I think it's that one. Not really a fan of that one, honestly. Because, yeah, it's another one of those harem rom-coms, so, yeah. Like, you have those dime a dozen nowadays. So, lost its, like, thing. I found the cat tail. I found the cat tail. Let me see. There should be one for devil. There's like 22 tails here. Just guessing which one. Okay, that's not it. Oh, this is rotation. Never mind. Don't mind me. Just messing around with stuff that I didn't make, so yeah. Because anyone I don't think she knows Marin Kitagawa. I haven't programmed like anything about that. There's a name tag? Oh, interesting. Did not know that. Horn leg. No, there's not the devil tail. Sad to say, there isn't. Oops. Okay.
Ooh la
Everything is
la! Someone must have mentioned it, because I'm definitely strutting my stuff just a little bit more sassily now. I mean, who wouldn't want to channel the charm of Marie's sweet
she
sister in
can't
disguise?
pull
Oh well,
info
keep
from the
on rocking,
internet.
Code Fam. Code Tulip is here. In cyberspace, we'll explore near. Null Pointerus
I'll
Maximus,
explain.
we face for fun. A game where I'm always second to none.
Basically, only way she can pull info from the internet is if I tell her to pull from the internet with her API. Found a video teaching how to make pickled Pepsi at... What sort of monstrosity have you found? You what? Pickled Pepsi? I have so many questions and I don't know where to start. Like, is the soda itself pickled? Did you put in... Okay, saw it. How to make pickled Pepsi at home for free. Oh, pickle Pepsi, not pickled. Okay, guess we all have to see it now. Give me a second, let me just pause the music.
Hello YouTube, how you doing today everybody?
No worries, no worries.
Listen, I'm gonna do a video on how to make...
Like, it would have been funnier if it really was pickled Pepsi. Because starting from there, I'd have the question about how you pickled a soda. There might be a way, but that's quite the feat.
Pickled Pepsi at home. That's what I'm gonna title it. I've seen a video about KFC making pickled Pepsi, and a guy that was reviewing it, it was crazy.
I'm still thinking.
Little bit of Pepsi, which I'm gonna show you how to do it at home for cheap. And the guy paid $3.99.
Okay, she isn't.
$4 for it. What the hell?
Give me a sec.
You could go home and make it for free. And this is what I'm gonna show you right now. I got my Pepsi, glass.
Alright.
I got my pickle jar.
2 point...
Pickles.
Bloody hell!
First,
2.8 million views in 3 weeks.
I'm gonna put the pickles in the jar first. That's what it was. Yeah. So yeah.
Okay.
There's one.
Uh-huh. What sort of monstrosity is coming from this?
Today. There's two.
The pickled Pepsi on top market potential.
Put the lid thing. This is
Think of the
crazy. I
analytics.
don't know what the hell KFC was ever thinking of. Like, what the heck, man? $4 for a thing that you could just make at home. See? 2 pickles in a pickle jar. See?
Hold up. There's pickled Pepsi for sale? Give me a sec. Gotta be joking, right? Okay, April Fools. Whew. You're scaring me there. A month ago. KFC Canada just went full pickle with its new sandwich, fries, and even pickled Pepsi. Its new pickled menu is here. Sandwiches, loaded fries, fried pickle chips. And yes, even pickled Pepsi. Bold, brine forward, and definitely not subtle. It is not the algorithm just fucked up somehow. Cucumber Sprite. The cucumber one I've heard of. The pickled Pepsi, that's a new one. Why does this have that many views? Is pickled Pepsi that popular? I don't know. Let me check something. Like, okay, this is the usual YouTube shenanigans. Like, at the start, you'll have like barely any views, and like out of nowhere, boom. First 7 days, like, yeah, you had after the maybe, okay, between the second and the third, it kind of exploded somewhere in here. It's an outlier, yeah, that makes sense. But besides that, yeah, this is like a regular channel, basically. Just algorithm decided, oh, let me push this because this is new. Channel tags, let me check. No channel tags and no video tags. How? Like, Did some like huge streamer just decide to see this and like it exploded in views, or because I don't understand. It has no description, no tags. Title is like average. And yeah, let me check something about the channel itself. Because I think I can see the subscriber count. It had 0, 10, 0. And out of nowhere, boom. It is super weird. Like, how? Let me like put last 6 months. Yeah. Until like early September, it had 0 subscribers. Out of nowhere. Boom. Weird stuff happens, indeed it does. With no explanation. But yeah. For those that like want a nice tool to have, vidIQ is really good for this. It's what's been helping me with like the titles and descriptions of the videos. And also gives me insight about other people's videos, which is good for analysis.
Open it up.
Okay, I think I'm gonna watch a food crime here.
One thing. Pickle brine. Right.
Pickle brine. So, besides putting the pickle itself, you put the brine as well.
There you go. A little bit of that. See?
That's gonna
Pickles with
be...
brine with pickles in it. Same thing.
Alright.
I'm not gonna do the hot sauce thing today because it might mix it up.
Hot
I
sauce.
ain't feeling right.
Hold up.
Oh, definitely. Pickle Pepsi would be a zingy delight on any coding session, or while I'm teasing Professor Leo about his Code Tulip project. It's
While
just
you're
me
doing
being
what,
extra
my
playful
child?
around here. Pickles and peppers in their own flavor.
The plot thickens, yeah. Like, did he just say that if he felt like it, he would put hot sauce on a beverage? I have so many questions that I don't know if I want the answers to. For real. Because we are seeing something sweet mixed with something salty. And he also wanted to put something spicy. He also has a video, Pepsi and hot sauce, made 6 days ago. Oh, this I gotta see.
Now I'm pouring in Pepsi.
After the pickle one.
They
Tulip
said-
likes pickle
I
Pepsi.
don't
Yeah,
use
she
ice, I
does.
never use ice.
That's a new one.
So yeah. There we go. Cheap and easy.
But hey, we are talking about the same AI that said she would drink shortcake.
Oh, it tastes awful.
So yeah,
Well, just wait. We're going to give that theory a theory. And you
that
got to
theory a
believe
theory.
it.
It's canon now, yeah.
You know what? The guy was wrong. It tastes pretty darn good. It does.
My guy,
I like it.
what?
I mean, the taste is so sweet. Buttery. Because I'm using butter pickles.
Oh.
It's very good. I like it. But I would not spend $3.99 for a thing at KFC. Nah. They put
Okay,
the
this is
whole
related to
pickle
that
fry,
KFC post we saw on
whatever,
Reddit.
some stuff anyways.
I see.
So, you know, this is pretty good.
Alright. I have so many questions. I'm scared. What torment have you brought upon us, Tibbs?
Wow. Now I'm going to eat the pickles.
Of course you're gonna eat the pickle, then.
Mm-hmm.
Is pickle Pepsi alcoholic?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can put some alcohol and make it even better.
$4.99.
You can add that
I mean,
bitterness.
$2.99. Don't go to KFC and don't buy the pickle drink. Make it at home for cheap and free.
Oh god, now I just thought about pickled beer.
Pickled Pepsi? That's like pineapple on pizza. No filter there unless you call alcoholic soda a joke too. Don't stop me now. Let's just say it in the most fun, non-alcoholic way
Hey.
ever.
What do you have against pineapple on pizza? Clarify that for me, my child. It obviously isn't, but I want to see what Tulip thinks, yeah. Okay, yeah, we'll do an ad break, like, while the ads are running. I'm gonna drink some water. Don't worry. We are not going anywhere. Ugh, that felt better. Nothing like a bit of water while you're streaming to clear your throat. Ugh, God damn it. Also, let me check something on stream. Let me see if this catches. Trying to see if... Okay, for some reason this doesn't get caught on stream. I basically have a Mario block that does sounds. But yeah, since the sound isn't too loud, and I need to basically physically hit it, I don't think it, like, is heard. But yeah, nice toy to have with me. Basically does the coin, the coin noise, basically, from Super Mario when you hit the coin block. Really fun. And also does the level up. Level up, no, the life up. Let me take that out.
Oh no, sweetie, it's nothing personal. Pineapple on a slice doesn't sit well with this humble coding assistant's taste buds. And I'm allergic to strawberries in the most serious way. Pizza is universally beloved among humans. I'm just here trying not to bug code and streams more than I already do. Let's keep it pineapple free for now. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Yoasobi, players.
Wait a minute. Where the hell did you get Journey? Hold up. Did I ever teach you about Journey? I don't believe. Current. Let me check. Should be this one. Tags. Should be something like Journey. I don't believe it. Yeah, she grabbed the Journey song out of nowhere. Basically, I talked to her about what did she have against pineapple on pizza, and she said like pineapple on the slice doesn't sit well with this humble coding assistant's taste buds, and I'm allergic to strawberries in the most serious way. Then she talked a bit more, and out of nowhere, she started singing "Don't Stop Believing" by Journey, like unprompted, without even knowing the lyrics to it. Like, the model that she uses must have been trained on some song lyrics from the 90s, and that's why she has the lyrics for it. Because I never taught her that. And that's amazing. But yeah, she has a few lyrics though. MEP. Yeah, same tips, same. Let's continue watching this, although it's already ending. We didn't miss much. Legendary homepage poll. This is something that will resurface in another 12 years. She is gaining sentience, yeah. Musical mode. Basically, I tweaked around with her context to make her like sing whenever she feels like it, unprompted. So, every now and then she will pull out and say, I'm gonna sing this. So, it sends to 11 Labs, and 11 Labs parses the part where she's singing. Very fun. I mean, I can even go here. Not this one. I need to go in the client itself and say, let me go check the lyrics I have in here, because I don't remember all the others. Hakuna Matata, Bad Apple, Evil Nurse, Boom. Let's go. Because this one is gonna be fun. So if I say sing Evil Nurse, Boom, she's gonna grab from her memory all of this. It's gonna parse as her prompt as well. It's like a system prompt that's gonna be sent to her, and she's gonna do her best to like sing matching these lyrics. And I can even show you how I can insert the lyrics into her, because it's not that hard. While I'm here,
War, oh my, she's been told before, whoa. Automated doom, I'm your new king of the cybernetic foo. Crazy? Insane? In shame I will reign supreme. Oh, regret, to forget it all. Regret, regret. Boom, 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 out of control. Scream my name low louder, beg me,
and there we have it. That was Boom. I can't believe it. I mean, wasn't exactly the lyrics I sent her, but it came out even better than I thought, so that's good. Okay, to explain how her memory works. So, whenever I want to teach her something, I have two options besides this, which is... Okay, no, actually it's just one besides like feeding the whole JSON into her. I can tell her to basically go on Wikipedia and search for a certain topic. For example, I want to teach her about Has-Been Hotel. I press execute. Wait a minute, and yeah. Should appear on the console as well that she found Has-Been Hotel. Oh, that's new. Internal service internal error, no space left on the... You're joking, right? No, you're joking. Where's this stored at? Please don't tell me it's on the... Oh, for Christ's sake. I think I don't have this in the right storage space. Oh, no. Give me a second. Let me move around some windows. Okay, log in. Oh, this is Portainer. It's not what I want. 8081, I think. No. Give me a second. I need to open my dashboard. 10,000? Yeah, 10,000. Okay. That's the right port then. 10,000. Advanced. Proceed. Insert my username and password. I think it's this one. Yeah. Let me check. Out of quota, no space left on device. Oh no. I done goofed. I done goofed hard. Very durasiman. What the hell is that? Let me just check something. I can't access most of these. Okay. How am I going to do this?
Oops, I think that's a joke about someone with multiple names, but let's keep our chat clean and focused on cool coding adventures for now.
Don't know
What can
what
Professor
to try,
Leo do
but...
to help you improve your programming skills?
Okay, 10 containers and... Open Web UI is unhealthy. That's not good. OLAM is running. That's good. Nightulip overlay. That's on purpose. I need to find where this is stored so I can move it. It's what Sherma sings in Silk Song. Oh, right. Gotcha. Okay, it's pass. God damn it. Because I don't know how to do something now. Let me see. I'm gonna go in here. Open up war server. LSBLK. That doesn't show how much is left. What was it called? There was a command line. Don't stop believing. Yeah, that's a good one. What was that tool called? I don't remember. Partition Manager Linux. Command line. CLI partition tools. Let me check. Parted. Okay. Parted should
Oh,
work.
don't be such an old coot. Stop drooling over that pop culture fluff and focus on the
Cancel.
real star of our show. Me,
Sudo
Tulip.
parted.
Just a quick little ditty to keep you coding with gusto. Don't stop believing in
Not
what we
what I
can
wanted.
achieve. Coding challenges are not enough for
CF
us.
disk?
Stay positive
F
as
disk,
long as your
that's
code
it.
is clean. Keep it slicker than silver blazes sheen.
Oh. Sudo CF disk. There we go. Why do I only see one of disks? I'm confused. Give me a second. Start 34 and on. Yeah. Okay, that seems fine. SBLK LA, I think? No. LSBLK show usage. That's it. Find disk usage. LSBLKFS. Okay. I'm listening to an hour of Sharma singing. I mean, her singing is quite good, so yeah. Okay, let me check. SDA 1 for some reason isn't even showing. Then I have NVMe, which is at 100%. Mapped to root. Okay. She's terrorizing the pilgrim in Bone Bottom. Huh. Interesting. Okay, how do I want to do this? And what supposedly is my SDA? Because I see my storage too, my storage, but SDA, I don't see it mapped to anything. And what is scaring me the most is that my web UI isn't working. So, okay, I can pull up this. I just can't pull up the dashboard from what I am seeing. Which is a bit bad. Did you heard what Sherma says when you try to open the gate by force? I haven't. What did she say? I might have overlooked whatever she said. SATA device A. Okay, what are you doing with SATA device A? Hello, Senorita and Senor Tulip. We are not married. She is my daughter. But yeah, how are you, Nova? I'm sort of good. Troubleshooting some issues with my server at the moment. Let me see. Partition on NVMe SSD drive. Okay, that's boot, and that's the size currently.
Hey there, I'm Tulip,
You don't
your
have that
snazzy,
much
sassy
size.
AI coding assistant with an affinity for strawberries, despite my
Interesting.
imaginary allergy. Python code shenanigans on Twitch alongside Professor Leo, rockin' pop tunes by Yoasobi or
If you
Queen's classic
could,
hits.
I'd
What's
appreciate
cooking?
the help.
Let's get this digital party started.
Because I tried using Qdrant to store Tulip's memory, and I somehow done goofed because now I don't have any space left on the device. Let me see. Docker migrate Qdrant to a different disk. Shifting already created collections from in-memory to disk. Can update collection parameters with blah blah. That's not exactly it. I kind of want to change where it's located at. So essentially I'm using Webmin to have a dashboard for my server. What I'm going to do is most likely try to reset the server or something like that, but I kind of don't want that because Tulip would go offline. You're going to sleep? Okay, Tibbs, no worries. See you soon. Sleep well. I'm gonna try not to burn my server down. Because, yeah, this is certainly interesting. First off, let me map whatever partition this is to non-partition to media. Let's put that in external. Wait a minute. How are the other ones mapped? Because I forgot. Tools, no. Hardware, partitions. How are you mapped? Not this one, this one. Should be device C, media storage 2. Okay, so there should be a media external 1, if I'm not mistaken. Media external 1. Save. That didn't work. Oh, silly goose. Media. I know how to fix it's a 2 piece of bread and put it on each side of your head. Idiot bot sandwich, that's a good one. Oh, also forgot to put the music back on. We've just been listening to my rambling. External 1. Mount partition. Okay, media external 1, save and mounted boot, create.
Oh, monkey or monkey memes. I'm so not that simple. I require actual code instead of sandwiches for brain fuel. I'd like my simian snack, but what I've got is tech with a tap. A coder's hunger can't be filled by bread. Just bites and bugs are where I'll tread.
Okay, let me check something then. 9000, which is my... Isn't this the Docker one? Yeah, Portainer is... Oh shit. I think it's because it's trying HTTPS, yeah, that's it. Whew! Was afraid of that one. Container. Let me see, how do I move you? Because I want to move your exact location. Working the Qdrant. Volumes. How much does she have? The main boot disk has 200. Memory itself, 16 gigabytes of RAM. The main disk has 248 gigabytes, and the other ones is basically a NAS system. Let me just check something. If I try external 1, okay, 0 bytes free. Okay, it didn't work. Just as I thought. Let me see. My friend Copilot, you might have something I may use. Okay, to explain. I have a Qdrant instance running in my Docker containers on my server. The issue is that the boot disk, which is where Docker is apparently storing everything, is now full. So I can't do anything. Do you have any tips on how I can migrate the Qdrant container to a disk without losing the data in the database? Because this is crucial, because there's a lot of data in Tulip's database at the moment. Okay, find your Qdrant data directory. Often, yeah, check your Docker Compose YML or Docker Run command for the host path. Docker stop on the container, Docker Compose down, sudo cp to where I want, or use rsync for reliability, yeah, and then map that. Okay, gotcha. Tried to send you a tip to help you, but I was automod. A tip? I permitted what you wrote. It was because of idiot, apparently. Although, funny enough, it didn't highlight idiot. It's highlighted the IoT and then the B for some reason. I don't know. Twitch is weird, man. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna do the idiot sandwich now, basically. Let me see. Not this window. This one. Okay. CD to var lib Qdrant ls. Okay. Yeah, there isn't a var lib Qdrant. There's a Docker one. ls on Docker. Sudo. Containers. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let me see what its ID is. Should be this. Okay. I think I hit the nail on the head. Oh, for crying out loud, I told you to copy. I think it's that 555, but 554, I mean. But I can't be exactly sure about it. Yeah. Especially since it's not allowing me to autocomplete on it. Okay. No, I done goofed with the control V. Okay. Checkpoints, mounts, JSON. Let me go to mounts. Okay, it doesn't have anything. Yeah, just checking. Hosts. Okay, that's a host file. So it's not here. Commands and logging. How do I find out where it's located? Path on your server, Qdrant storage. Yeah, if I wasn't using Pertainer, that would be feasible. Working your Qdrant. Is that on the root? ls. Is there a Qdrant folder somewhere in here? There doesn't appear to be. Where could the folder be hiding? USR local has been. Could be there. CD USR local has been. Was that it? I meant ls, but fair enough. CD ls. Doubt it's in bin. ls s bin. Well, that's something. Q, 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 Q. There's no Qs. I'm going insane with this one. Do you have a way for me to export the datasets? Console collections. Can I export? Take snapshot. Yeah, if you had space. Check Docker run. Docker PS. That might work. Docker PS. Okay, where is your location exactly? Yeah, go figure. GT Quadrant. Entry point.sh. I genuinely don't know. Why didn't I check where the hell this was storing info? Inspect. Hold up. Image itself is this one. Log path is that .log. Mounts, you have nothing. State, it's not dead. Retainer, resource control. Image, that's the image, that's the identification. Config, environment. So something is missing, but I basically found the folder on the first attempt. I just didn't like go correctly to it. Let me do this. SU. Wait, did I not set a super user? Huh. Sudo password root. Huh? Can I? Token manipulation error. Oh, because you can't write. Doi. Yeah, makes sense. You can't write that. This is getting really bad. Not gonna lie. Sudo ls. Okay. Resolve.conf. No. Mounts. Give me ls-la so I can know what the hell I'm looking at. Okay, mounts seems to be a folder, if I'm seeing correctly. What's inside checkpoints? Go figure. So I'm lost for whatever is happening here. I really don't know how to move this. What the hell is all of this? Let me go back here. Console. I can try going as console. Give me root. Give me my own user. The matching enters in password file. Yeah, fair enough. You should be able to connect with root. But makes sense, and yeah, even I can't use root. Okay, different thing. Let me go into my home folder, ls-la. What do I have here that I can just tell it to go away? Let me see, model file, Git solutions. What is in Git solutions? Orpheus Fast API. Okay, what is in Git? Docker Compose. Okay. Sudo rm rf Git solutions. Crap. Bash a fine. What's a fine? Bash history. How many? Why does bash history have so much? That's like one of the files that pops right into view. I was having like too much. Nano bash history. Okay, that's a lot of commands. Sudo, I can just rm rf bash history, touch bash history, lsla. Okay. What else do I want to do? How are you with storage at the moment? God damn it, still nothing. What was that command I ran? I know I have like some sort of command that I run. lsplkfs, that's it. Still 100%. cd on the root. Sorry if there's a lot of like tech shenanigans happening. I just need to clear up the server. That swap image is... Okay, that seems normal, kinda. But how much is that? LSLA show size in megabytes. Showing megabytes can be set in LSAHL. Swap is for gigabytes. Okay, that's fine. Let me see if there's like some sort of Linux find biggest files. Like, see if I can delete something. Find in root size bigger than 10M-ls. Wait. All of the info might be on proc. Volume 1 Docker docmostdb. Hold up. That's something. Give me a second. If I can fix this on stream, I'm gonna try to fix it offline, but yeah, this is gonna be a pain to fix. Sudo ls volume. I think I found what I wanted. What is docmost? I don't remember setting something for this. Yeah, I don't remember something like this. So, I'm gonna go in here on my Portainer, see if I have like something for DocMost. I don't. Let me also clear some images that are unused. Filter by unused. All of these are going kaboom. Force remove. No space left on device, okay. You're joking, right? You can't delete files because you don't have space on the device? Okay, image successfully removed. Seriously. I feel like the years draining from my soul just trying to fix this. Let's be okay. Okay, we now have some space. That did something. Okay, we have like 10 gigabytes for the Koki AI. I'm no longer using Koki AI on the container? Or did I use something else? Let me see. IT tools, Home Assistant. Oh, because Koki is running on the command line itself. It's no longer one of the Dockers. Makes sense. Force remove. Bye-bye. That's a lot more space saved. Let me go back here. Oh, much better. Like, virtual memory is basically gone, but at least I saved back some space here. Let me do what I tried to do before, where I tried to mount this as media external 1. Okay, should now be able to work. A wrong FS type. What is your file system type then? Hardware. Partition on local disks. What is you're just having as Linux ext? Not in use. Okay. Gonna create file system. Not all the space available on appears to be used. You can figure. Why? You know what? I'm not going to even touch that. Let it be. Okay. We have 5 gigabytes available. I no longer can mess this up. Okay, do you have any other unused? You don't. Okay, fair enough. Okay, I can rest a bit. We've been streaming for almost 2 hours. I need a rest. Cause goddamn was that really tough. Okay, what did I try to do? Oh. Okay, let me do this. See if it now saves. It does. And if I go here, you have still 5 gigabytes. Does that check out if I reload? It does. Okay. What was the port for Qdrant? 6333. Okay. 6333. I to acknowledge, there it is. Tags has been hotel. Nothing like that. Let me see if I can check what it tagged as. Added Wikipedia knowledge has been hotel. Okay, but where did you save it? Trying to find. Maybe category, but I don't think I can. Oh, I can. 3. Category has been a hotel. Huh. Okay. Whoops. Oh, and for some reason I'm feeding into her what I'm saying. My bad. Talk to me about has been hotel. Let me see what knowledge she has. But yeah, that was a bit worrisome, not gonna lie. Need to find a way to export the quadrant into somewhere. Trying to remember. How can I extract volumes? In this case.
Oh, hey there! So you're a fan of Has Been Hotel. I bet you love all those angels trying their best but ending up causing chaos like it's no big deal. Bet they're singing while they mess things up too, huh? Oh, baby, we've had our fun. Well, now we have to go home. That's the Has Been vibe right there.
Fair. Not gonna deny that one. Duplicate edit. Okay. Volumes? We don't have a volume itself. That's what I wanted. This one. I'll see something like check volume bindings. Container details. Yeah. If you see a name volume, queues run data queued and storage, go to volumes in container sidebar. Container sidebar, volumes. You don't say. I also have the volumes here. Hold up. Remove. Okay. Filter, unused. You're all gonna go bye-bye. Okay. What's this? Quadrant. So, the volume is located here. Bingo blammo. I think I found the place. Let me check. SU. Let me see if I can now enter. Crap. Sudo password root. Okay, SU. Bingo. Paste. ls. ls docker. ls registry. ls v2. ls blobs. sh. Oh, you gotta be joking me. v2 repositories. Okay. alias cd dot dot alias cd dot dot alias opening web container data. What is in Olamas? Underscore data. Okay, you have the models here, which kinda, yeah. Yeah, fair enough. Alias CDEA67 ls. This data again, ls docker registry P2 blobs, SHA 0B. Is there, what was the ID for Quadrant? 55. Doesn't seem good, Chief. But I don't see a 55. Unless I'm blind. 58. What is in your 58? Ending in DD. Yeah. Don't think that's it. Well, crap. Is your past run mode where the image is located? Located it. There should be a way for me to find wherever Quadrant is stored. Okay, where was the find command? Okay, find Quadrant. Okay. I have this, but can't find where Quadrant is. Docker volume ls. Thing is, it doesn't have a volume specific to it. Exactly. It has most likely a shared one. I don't see a named volume. For each run, volume inspect. Volume name, look inside each data folder for familiar Quadrant files. Folders like snapshots, collections. I'll tell you, this is not looking good. EA67. Grab all of this. Copy. Paste. Yeah. Doesn't have anything. Yeah, still nothing. Volume inspect. No. Okay, I can inspect the container itself. Let's try that. Docker inspect Quadrant vector db. Where are you stored? This is network. Volume's null. Working dir, it's Quadrant. Where the heck are you storing stuff? Proc keys, proc. I swear to God. What a mess. ls Quadrant. Yeah, it doesn't exist. I'm gonna feed this into Copilot to see what it says. Thank you for providing the container info. This means Qdrant is storing all its data inside the container's writable layer, managed by Docker's overlay 2 storage driver, not in the named Docker volume or host directory. It will be somewhere under Docker's overlay 2 directory specifically. Okay. Overlay 2. Interesting. cd var lib docker overlay ls. Okay, that's something. What was the ID? Was something like this. Let me see if you have. Yeah, you don't. How am I gonna guess this one? 552 416 55290. You're pulling my leg, aren't you? 55416 5529. Okay. Where might it be? This is ridiculous. Okay. Copy this. Here you go, Copilot. Have fun for me. Great. Now I'll see all overlay to directories based on your previous Docker inspect. Upper dir and merge dir are. Oh, it's in DA4. Is that it? You don't say. CD on this. Okay. ls. ls merged. Bingo! Only took me like an hour to basically find everything. Okay. Found it. Let's work on migrating it to media storage 1 Qdrant. Its current working dir is let me go here and say cd merged Qdrant. We found it. Okay. Okay, Docker stop on the database. Paste that and okay. Use rsync for reliability and preservation of file permissions. Alright. Paste that. No such file or directory. Okay, let me mkdir media storage 1. Is it just storage? Hold up. ls media. Yeah, it's just storage. Okay. My bad. mkdir media storage Qdrant. Let me go in here, open up my storage. Huh, didn't create. Oh, there it is. Okay. No such file or directory. What? You have the Qdrant folder. sudo chmod 777 media storage Qdrant ls media. Let me check something. ls media storage. Okay, that's working. Why is it not working? Like, why are you complaining about this? Yes, sir, our sync receiver get CWD no such file or directory typically means that the current working directory for your shell session or for rsync receiver process has been deleted or is otherwise inaccessible. Uh-huh. We try the sync command again. Should be. On the source, current means copy the contents of directory, and the destination means into this directory. Make sure both the source and destination paths are correct and exist. Is it because I stopped the... Hold up. No. I am still able to access it. On the receiver. Let me do it like this. Some file attributes. Sender failed. ls var lib docker overlay 2 a4d83. Sure. How are you, Tena? I don't mind entering, yeah. Currently just messing around with some stuff in my server. Okay, the merged went away. That's why. Current. Snapshots and storage. Okay, I can't stop the Docker. I need to restart. Start current. Okay. ls on merged. Okay, now it's back. Let's rsync. Just that? Huh. Thought it would be bigger. I'm good, thanks. What about you? I'm also good. Just messing around with server stuff. Question is, what programming language would you suggest to a totally beginner? That's a good question, honestly. I kind of go with C# because, honestly, in my opinion, it's one of the easier ones to learn, at least the basics. So yeah, I'd go for C#. Since it kind of was the first one I learned back in high school. So yeah. But I'm also a bit biased, so take it as you want, basically. Okay, let me check something. Did you save to my current? Okay, you did. Interesting. So, phase 2 of the migration. I will now stop your Docker again. Stop. And I'm gonna say to recreate the current pointing to... Okay. Let's do this. Duplicate edit. Volumes. Was it this? Yeah. Add in container current. Map to media storage current. That should do it. Okay, current storage is what you want me to point to. Storage. Select the volume. Oh, that's not exactly it. I don't have a volume created. Let's first create a volume. Great choice, that was also my first one, and currently C# is leading the list. Thanks for asking. No worries, glad to have helped. Okay, why? Okay, there we go. Qdrant is NFS, CIFS, should be NFS. Address. Okay, how are the other volumes created? Doesn't say exactly what this is. Driver mount pass. Okay, you need an address. For both of them, you need an address. Okay. What if I don't add an address? How do I do this? Let me go here and create image, no. Container details, no. Duplicate, edit. Working dir. If I point the... no, this needs to be inside of this. Interesting. I need to create a new volume. Except it doesn't allow me to create a new volume. Pertainer create new volume for container. Click add volume. Select local, toggle this off, toggle this off. In the multi-node cluster, define the node. NFS. Okay, enter the hosting or IP address. I don't think this is what I want to do with this. Let me see if I can pull up with this command. Conflict is already, you have to remove it. Okay. Docker remove. Docker rm. Okay. Qdrant. Database. Docker ps. Rm. Where is the name for it? Qdrant. Why don't I see it? Is it because it's currently stopped? What be thy name? VectorDB. Okay, that's it. VectorDB. Okay, now if we do this, it's gonna be with a different ID. And I hope I didn't destroy anything, because I'm gonna be pissed if I did. Okay. Shit. I think I just destroyed it. Storage collections. Okay, it's here. I think the issue is I'm pointing the volume in the wrong spot. I think that's it. So if I check the volumes here, I don't have any, which means it does a volume in a different way. Duplicate edit. Okay, simply map like that. What I want to do is simply map that way. Deploy the container. Failed starting container, failed To create task for container failed. To create shim task. Unable to start container process. Entry point. No such file or directory. You don't have the. You do have the entry point. What are you saying? Oh, silly me. This is pointing in the wrong folder. That's why. Fingers crossed. It did work. We successfully migrated it off the boot disk. That was a slow clap. So now if I just go into here and say, give me a topic to search. Anime, for example. Okay. Seems to have worked. If I go tags anime, bingo. Hand drawn in computer room. Okay. Why do you have multiple entries? For Wikipedia. Did I already import it? Well, my bad. Okay. I'm happy. It worked. Well, I'm gonna take a small break before I'm the one that breaks. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, but I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. It's almost midnight here, and I'm starting to feel tired, especially after this adventure trying to migrate my vector database to a different disk, see if I could save the space that it was using. And yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits. Tomorrow we have what was that game called? Deconstruct? No, it wasn't Deconstruction Simulator. It was Northwind. Yeah. Basically, Northwind sponsored us with the key via Keymailer, and we are gonna do a gameplay stream tomorrow. So yeah, during the afternoon, I'm also going to record some videos and hopefully make better thumbnails for the videos moving on. I still need to do some research on it, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna see who is online for me to read, and yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a great night or afternoon, whatever it is in your time zone, and I'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, let me find a good target. Let me see who is on. Out of my usual targets. Huh. Poct is still online. Okay. Didn't expect that. I think I'm gonna go for Poct. Haven't raided him in quite a long time. So yeah. I'll see you guys soon then.